gaggle of ghost nipples.
Da 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 da.
Today on the only episode of Ghost Clits, we're in Florida, Tennessee, trying to look for a ghost, or pretending to. This is probably one of the worst videos I've ever made in my life. I mean, why did I? Now, legend has it that there was a boy named Tommy Lee Jones who once went to this school. On one fateful day at St. Matthew's Cathedral. Sadly, he was making a homemade bomb while his sweet old granny was driving him, and bada bing, bazinga, he's freaking dead. They all blew up. You can also say that Granny's cookies were a bit burnt that day. I would also like to give Tommy Lee Jones a shout out for dying, because if it wasn't for him, this video wouldn't exist. So, mad respect for you, Tommy. Now, let's see if this legend is a busted or a truth. Either gosh darn way, I'm still gonna get money for it, so I don't really care. My gosh, guys, do you not see that? It's dark energy! Dark energy! You guys want to hear my Alec Jones impression? Turn the freaking dogs down! Freaking shit. As you can see by this photographic, me and my editors were absolutely stunned at what we found. We found the ghost of Tommy Jones. Man, that sure did graze my bollocks, dude. That was freaking spooky. Hope you guys saw that. What? Oh, I'm just recording a video? No, get away. This is a different day that I'm recording this. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please leave a like down in the comments below, subscribe, and push the notification button. Adios.